Hi guys, my name's Stephen Blake from Inexteriors Painters and Decorators and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to simply be showing you how to clean a brush out that has been used in shellac-based Zinsser. I mean, I've got this well submerged in here because I didn't want it to go hard while I was getting everything all set up, because if I was to leave that out, that would go hard within 30 minutes. Right, what we need for this little project is something to pour your methylated spirits into. Obviously a brush that's been in shellac-based Zinsser, a paint kettle, some hot soapy water and methylated spirits, guys. Not terps or white spirits, methylated spirits. Right, I say we get into this little task then, shall we? Right. First of all, I'll put that down there. I'm going to start by raking the thickest of it off. Because the more we get off here, the less we need to get off when we're cleaning it. I'll stick that brush into the paint kettle like so. Well, it takes a fair bit. You know, really give it a good whoosh around. And you can see it all coming off now. What we'll do is give it a little spin like so. Get the thickest of that off. I'll pour that away into there. Then maybe I'll just get a little bit more, pour that in, give it another wish around, like so. Get another spin. Methylated spirits into there. Then get your bucket of hot soapy water and really give it a good going over in the hot soapy water. And that, guys, is how you wash a brush out that's been used in shellac-based Zinsser. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much, guys.